Some guys say the sweetest things, some do the cutest things. And there are some that neither say nor do. Now, the question is, what kind of guy would you want to have? The guy that says the cutest things but does not do the cutest things? Or the ones that does the cutest things but does not say the cutest things? Hey Port Harcourt, it's still your girl Eva on Rhythm 93.7. The program is still Let's Talk About Guys.
Hi baby. Baby, I'm sorry. Yeah, I've been busy since morning. I've had my eyes on the computer screen, trying to read up on how to set up or start an NGO. You know, I told you earlier.
Hey, why don't you say something here? You said that to me yesterday and the day before. It's beginning to sound like a stereotype to me.
No, but it's not intentional. Okay, fine. I'll make it up to you tomorrow.
It can be very demanding and stressful at the same time. But hey, looking at the brighter side, it can be very fulfilling.
Yeah, and that's where the excitement lies. Fulfilling experience. You know, I want to build a brand that will stand out. Something that will be very beneficial to the people out there.
Yay.
Yes, I mean something that can meet the needs of the people.
Nice. Splendid. But my darling, you would need a strong team. So let's say you get like maybe 4 or 5, top 6 people you can afford to pay for now. Any other thing from that? Just know some of your village people and they call you so.
I beg, make the village people go waka come because I need more followers on my Instagram handle. Yeah, at least if I manage reach like say 150, 200, I can also don't try.
Yeah. Sam, they don't start. What?
Do you know this guy is crazy?
What guy?
The same guy I told you about has been sending me DMs on Instagram.
Let me see. Give me. To do. This one has lines, oh. Wait now.
What flows?
Maybe not. I think you have found yourself Mbako.
That's where you're worried. Don't be my phone is dead.
What? That guy is hot. I need to see that guy's picture. Bring it.
My phone is dead.
From that small circle, like a... What? He's got potentials. You don't want to tell him? Your life. Mbako.
I don't want to sound pathetic, but these past few weeks have been very, very awkward to me. Things have actually gone out of place. Communication, intimacy, fun, everything. You see, I don't want to make it look like I complain too much. But I know that, you know, things are not going well.
Baby, nothing is wrong with our relationship. Yeah, I know we've not spent enough time together these days, but that's because I've been busy. I'm trying every means I can to open an NGO, and it's very tasking.
Oh. So it is all about the NGO. Setting up an NGO has suddenly taken my space in your heart. Is that what you're telling me?
No, I never said that.
Oh, yes, that's what it is.
No! You're the love of my life. So, why will an ordinary NGO take your place in my life? Babe, see, aside from our relationship, I have personal goals and dreams that I want to achieve. And that's just what I'm working on.
I see.
All I need from you is your full support. I need you to be strong. I need you to be by my side. Please.
Marianne? I guess we have to clear this up once and for all. It's been 3 years. 3 good years we've been in this. And I think we should have some sense of responsibility to each other.
Baby, I told you we're gonna be fine.
No. I don't think so.
Okay. What do you want?
You have to make a decision. Now tell me, do you want to continue with this relationship, or you want me to leave you so you can focus on building your NGO? Tell me.
Damn, I'm sorry, I can't answer that question.
Oh, fine. That is it for me then. I'll leave you so you can focus on building your NGO.
Yeah.
That is it. I'm done. Bye.
Tamuno.
I told my heart that there won't be a second time. And if it should let you in, if it should let you in, if it should let you in, I'd cut it out. And I will set it on fire. And if I had to, I would find another heart. Didn't I tell you, dear heart, pumping blood is your only job. If you fall in love, you'll be on your own. I don't want any part in this phony business. No. forget too soon. How uncomfortable it gets when you start skipping beats. You start skipping beats, and I have to stop and catch my breath. You know our brain can't afford to think of no one else. It's just so like you. It's just so like you to think of only yourself. Didn't I tell you, dear heart, pumping blood is your only job. If you fall in love, you'll be on your own. I don't want any part in this phony business called love, love.
Okay, so we're here to do a special one for our special friend Marion. Yeah. Enjoy it. Please don't mind our voices.
Mine especially, please. Oh my god.
What would I do without your smile mouth? Drawing me in and you kicking me out. Got my head spinning, no kidding. I can't pin you down. What's going on in your beautiful mind? I'm your magical ride.
I can't get you.
Ah.
Okay, that was
Tanya?
She's one of have you been? Like, we only see you on TV, Billboard, magazines. Like, what?
As per the supermodel that she is.
I know now.
You know what? I think we should definitely hang out. So we're gonna exchange contact and then hang out, alright?
Definitely.
Make sure you call. Of course I will.
Definitely. Please just put your number
Alright,
here.
sure.
Like, what? It's been a while. I was like,
Here
here you
okay,
go.
thank you.
Okay.
I am definitely going to call and we should hang out.
Yes,
alright?
totally. We should.
Okay, so guys,
Take care of
take
yourself.
care,
Okay.
have fun.
Bye. Oh my God. I was like, isn't that? Yes.
Hello, Belema. What is wrong with your phone? I've been trying to reach you all morning. Alright, fine. We need to kick off right now. I'm about coming to the office this morning. For some years now, I have researched and I cited on this idea. Now, 3 things are sure. 1, it is very clear. 2, it is direct. And 3, it is beneficial. Brilliant. So you believe in this idea as much as I do believe in it. What has been keeping us?
I told you I've been ready since like yesterday.
Really? Then it's short time.
Where do we start from?
the team.
Oh my goodness. Like, babe, you already know what my routine is now. How about? I mean, if I'm not on radio, my friend is giving me some sugar.
If you're not serious.
Wow, that was so good, baby.
What's that noise?
Oh, nothing. It's just my Freddy giving me some sugar.
God. This girl, you all love me. I need to do better things with my life. To get off my phone.
Hi. Hit me.
Bye. Number busy.
Ready for the meeting?
How many of them?
5. One is here to join us.
Okay. Let's meet them immediately. Here.
Here, bring your
Okay. Thank you. Our mission is very clear: to push out ideas for the regeneration of the ecosystem, which has been badly affected by oil spillage. Our concept is going green and giving hope to the hopeless, especially those who live around these areas. There are sponsors out there we can pull in to help us achieve our dreams. And there are also NGOs who are also doing the same thing to get to these people. Now, that is where the competitive advantage comes in. So what do we have that they do not have?
My name is Clifford Soto, a public administrator.
My name is Tosin Angus, BSc Accountancy. For 3 years, I've worked as an accountant and an auditor.
And my name is AC Lambert. I have worked as an office assistant and receptionist for 2 years.
I am Lizzie Odile, a mass communicator
I study in Harvard. I've always looked forward to working with an indigenous team like this, and I'm glad I found one.
I'm Hyginus Alaboso, BA History and International Relations, University of Nigeria, Soka, first class. Sorry, the traffic slowed down my speed today. I'm sorry, it will not happen again.
But what's terrific, Belema? I mean, how are you able to pull all of that in within 24 hours?
I told you I was ready like yesterday.
You just proved it.
But I see something missing. There is a loose end that needs to be tied up.
What could that be?
Trend.
Trend?
Yes, the world has gone trending. The internet has taken over. Social media has become king. We need a brand image, social media presence. We need massive followership. We need to sell out online.
So how do we do this?
We need a digital PR consultant, a social media expert, an Instaguru, someone that understands the whims of internet marketing and brand promotion.
Excellent. You know, sometimes, I just think, I wonder how you should have come up with all of these things.
I told you I was ready like yesterday.
So I spoke to some of my colleagues at the FM and also put a caller processing with people that I know. They actually made a few recommendations. But the strange thing is that most of them were pointing in the same direction.
Really? I hope this direction is leading us to the right person.
Oh, well, thank you. I hope so too. I mean, everything is based on recommendation. Ew.
Miss Sugar.
So they all said that he's like the best in town. He's the guru. He's a blogger. But what's go? I really do not know. I never met him before.
Okay, so how do we get to meet him? I mean, his phone number, email address, just something to reach him with.
Yes. Someone actually sent me his Instagram handle. Let me show you. I just hope everyone is just singing his praises. Let me look for it. Okay, Jim Franklin. This one.
Jim Franklin.
Yep. What's your phone?
This is a joke, right?
What happened? You don't...
Eva, this is the same guy that's been sending me DMs on Instagram.
Yes! No. Girl, are you sure? You know most of these Instagram handles. Some might do underscore.
Hold on.
Sure.
Yeah.
Gang. Action film.
What's the action film for them?
Look at... Oh, I beg you. Wait. Let me what's a better person. Hey, baby. Oh, I'm good. How are you? I'm fine. Where are you? Oh, really? Okay, you know what? Just give me some minutes. I'll be with you shortly, okay? All right. See you soon. Love you. Mwah.
Chai. I beg.
What?
You know, Sabi, your friend, Abby? What you're doing is called child abuse.
My sugar squeeze is not a child.
You even give her a name, Sugar Squeeze.
Yes.
That boy is just 19. 19.
He is 19 going on 20. 20.
Not a difference. Come on, Eva, what's the difference?
Oh.
What's the difference between 19 and 20?
A lot. First, Eva, I don't go.
Jim Franklin.
Same and exact.
Oh, welcome.
Thank you.
I am Bellima.
Oh.
Kaima Bellima.
A pleasure.
Miss Marion is waiting for you inside. This way, please.
Very well then.
Mr. Jim, meet Miss Marion, MD, CEO, Theodore Goes Grey.
Hi, Mr. Jim.
Hello.
Nice to meet you in person.
The pleasure is mine. You're beautiful. More beautiful than you look on Instagram.
Thank you. Thank you. I guess we should get down to business.
Oh, of course. Of course. Owning your niche across web platforms should be the focus. There's a lot more value in being thought of as a king of a niche. In other words, your social media positioning should have you thought of as the king of an industry and not just another popular brand.
So, how do we get started in all of this?
Oh, simple. Define your audience, determine your goals, make a distribution plan, establish a measurement process, and have Jim Franklin watch your back.
Thank you very much for being around today. It was quite enlightening.
It's my craft.
I would want the process to start up as soon as possible. We don't have the luxury of time.
Well, that would depend on the outcome of our negotiation.
Fine. We can have that right now in my office.
As much as I'd love to dance to your tune, I think I'd rather have my negotiations in a more relaxed atmosphere.
What are you saying?
Nothing too different from everything you've said. My Instagram crush. So now that we've been able to agree to something, I would love to propose a toast. A toast to the success of your new NGO.
Success.
So, Marian, tell me, do you not have a man in your life?
Why do you ask?
Well, I can see your ring fingers free.
Oh. So why didn't you consider my status before sliding in and out of my DM?
Come on, we all know how social media works. Things go down all the time.
Really?
Well, yeah. So do I take your silence for a yes?
Yes to what?
To not having a man?
I never said that.
Well, I guess my assumptions were wrong then.
Perhaps.
Audience in this case would be your target sponsors and beneficiaries, right?
Right.
Who are your target sponsors?
International organizations, parastatals, ministries, private establishments, and individuals.
Organizational vision, mission, core values.
Yes, vision. We see ourselves being on the list of the 7 most relevant NGOs in the country by 2020.
See. Do you have a logo yet?
Yeah, I have somewhere. I have it somewhere now.
Hi.
I can see you already hurrying up.
Well, yeah, I'm done with my bid for today.
Oh, I see. Did anyone tell you how hot you look today?
Well, I guess you just did. Thank you.
I guess we'll be seeing more of this hotness.
Well, perhaps.
All right, good night.
Good night.
Seriously, girl, I am sorry about your relationship with Tamuno. I don't know why men do this. The moment they realize a woman is about to rise, they just get scared. I am talking from similar experience, trust me.
You know, Tamuna was just unfair. He was very possessive and overbearing.
I'm so sorry. But you know what? Just let it go, okay? Move on with your life. You have your career and you're beautiful. Keep an open mind to love again and again and again.
That's my girl.
What does the heart need if not love?
These babes, what are you people doing? You don't know what you're missing. Wasting your time away, talking rubbish. Trust me, it's better off in here.
That's all you know how to do. It's not like you're swimming in the pool, yeah? You're just walking about.
What? Okay, I want to see you try. Come and catwalk.
Oh, I'm coming right away.
What?
Wanna leave this town. I'm saying, whatever, if you wanna go, I'm down. Darling, we'll make a bigger thing.
Yeah, for me. I just emailed you an account now. I need you to run the optimization. No, just make sure you do it this evening. I want it up by morning. Also, let the rest of the team know they should monitor this for the next 1 week. Everything about the account. Let's just see how much progress it makes in a week, okay? Make sure you pass on this message, yeah? Great.
I believe whatever you have to say, I can wait till tomorrow. Because I am not a kind of late night person.
I'm sorry, but tomorrow is too far.
So what do you want?
I have a confession.
A confession? Oh! I guess you're now feeling guilty because you overcharged me, right? That's a confession.
No.
So what?
I was thinking about you.
Thinking about me?
Yeah.
Are you that unserious?
But I guess, but not too unserious.
It's okay. Thank you for the confession. And don't worry, your sins are already forgiven. I have to go now. Good night.
I would.
Good morning, ma'am.
How are you doing today?
Very fine, ma'am. Thank you.
Do I have any message?
Yes, ma'am, from Grand Max Limited.
Wow, really? Please send it to my desk as soon as possible.
All right, ma'am. All right, thank you.
I hope you had fun.
Grand Max Limited wants a presentation from us by 2 p.m. today.
It appears they have more interest in ecotourism.
Yeah, and they also want to know if we can achieve what we claim to achieve.
Of course we can.
Our presentation will determine that.
So what do we need for this presentation?
Hello, ladies. Morning. I was wondering if I could have a one-on-one with you.
I'm sorry, that wouldn't be possible right now. I'm in the middle of an important discussion.
That's fine. I'd probably check back later.
Perhaps. Belema, we have to do everything possible. Let's put ourselves together because that sponsorship must come to us.
That was the brilliant performance you put in there. The management is impressed.
Wow.
And I'm 85% sure you get the contract.
Thank you very much, sir. Thank you. I promise to do my very best if we're given the opportunity.
All right. So let's just keep our fingers crossed and see how things pan out.
Oh, thank you
so
very
much.
much, sir. Thank you. Thank you, sir. Thank you.
I'm leaving. It's past 7 already. I marked out the places you need to refer to.
Okay, let me have them.
All right. All right, so I'll see you tomorrow.
Okay, thank you. I'll be spending more 30 minutes in the office and we'll continue tomorrow.
Oh, okay, all right, good night.
Is everyone gone?
I guess so. All right, that's
I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play
that looks heavy on you. I could lend my hands for help.
Jim?
Well, same.
What are you doing around here by this time?
Well, I thought to play your guardian angel to make sure no one disturbed you in there while you were working.
Thank you.
You're most welcome. So my offer still stands.
What offer is that?
Take you on a breezy walk.
No.
Yes.
No.
Yes.
No.
Yes.
Okay, fine. You win.
There you go. All right. So. Very first time I came here, I was a confused, jobless young man in search of ideas. Come here, stare at the water, and by the time I finally left, something will come to my head.
I've been here before.
Oh, really?
And you know, water is a drive of all nature.
Oh, absolutely. I mean, ever since then, whenever I felt any emptiness within me, I'd come here, stare at the water, knowing that on a very good night, when the moon is full, if I stared hard and long enough, I could see the face of God.
Wow. That's poetic and very different. Anyways, I like the ambience of this place. It's pretty cool.
The serenity of the night, the sound of the flowing water, the aesthetics of the bright lights. Two hearts reaching out to each other.
Welcome.
Thank you.
It was nice hanging out with you. My pleasure. Why do you look at me like that?
Your smile is the most beautiful thing I've seen in a long while.
Where'd you get all these words from?
I see them boldly written in your eyes. Every word I speak is inspired by your beauty. Raw, untapped. Just...
Thank you for the words.
You're most welcome.
All right, see you tomorrow.
Good night.
Bye.
All right.
Oh. Man, I've called the woman and she said we should be coming over right now. So, let's go. Tamuno. What is it? I guess this is about Marion again. You can't seem to get over her yet. That's what you get when you make rash decisions, you know.
Bro, stop it. There was nothing I could do. I can't be in a relationship with a lady who has one leg in and the other one out.
You know, it baffles me how much we make up excuses for our own mistakes. You don't know what you had. Marion is every man's dream. Once upon a time, you had a girl who is very resourceful and beautiful. A girl who had something in mind and would want to put in hard work to get it. A girl who is every man's dream. You toss it aside. You broke up. And this is it.
No, who cares? It wasn't my fault.
Oh, really? Then it's mine. You know the problem you have, my friend? You are too proud and very impatient. No woman likes that. No woman. Start this and let's go. Start the car, make with the worker bag. If you know one drive, I will drive. If you want to work out things with her, you go over to her office and apologize to her. Bring yourself down.
The way you guys go these days, very soon now, nationally, everybody will be angry with you people. How can you see a girl, she wake up in the morning, if she want to go out, she will make up, she will go, then when she come back in the evening, after washing her face, you see different person entirely. Why is it like that? And that will make you not to know the one that is beautiful and the one that is not beautiful.
And what concerns you with women matters, huh?
Women's matter. In fact, you are guilty of the topic that I'm telling you now. See the sketchings, see the drawing, see the painting. Are you not one of them confusing the men? You see somebody wake up and after everything, if you want to sleep, you wash off everything, confusing us.
Genius, please, don't start this morning. I don't have the strength to laugh, please.
And who says that I'm trying to make you laugh? Is this a laughing matter? Is this a joke? Is this your real eye? Is this your real color? When your mother gave birth to you, is this how you are? This is pure deception. You people are confusing us. Yes.
Hi,
you are.
Hi. Is Marion in?
Yes.
Okay, great. I'll just go right in.
Hello.
Genius, what are you looking at?
Come, see, let me warn you for the last time. You have to learn how to call this name. Hygienus Alaboso. UNN, History and International Studies, first class. I am not your mate. Forget what I'm passing through. I am not your mate. Certificate otherwise, you are not my level. Why will you call my name like that? Meanwhile, stop. I'm very sorry for shouting at you. That girl is a very beautiful girl. In fact, if you go on natural without this your rubbish makeup, you'll be like this girl.
You're such a womanizer.
Yes. Any man can be a womanizer because of this. Very natural, very beautiful. In fact, you can change my name from Hygienus Alaboso to Hygienus Alaboso, History and International Relations. First class, UNN. Lion, and then put womanizer.
I see. No wonder you're staring at her like that.
Yes, if I do. If I do. Back to what we were discussing. Listen to me. This issue of sketching and painting your faces, applying all these makeups will not help you. Rather, it will be affecting your health, affecting your brain, because your brain will be trying to articulate, trying to put the whole things together. The whole thing will be confused. Help yourself. Allow makeup to help. In fact, allow makeup to drop so that you help your life. See your magazine.
Give me gist. It's too like amiibo. So tell me, what kind of gist do you want to hear? What's happened? The date. No.
What's here?
If I've told you before, nothing happened.
And I told you I not believe you. This baby, you're hiding something from me. Give me gist now.
Nothing happened.
How can you? Okay, so you're trying to tell me you both dressed up, you went out, you laughed, he laughed, and he dropped you back home, and that was it?
Exactly, madam. Now tell me, what else you want to hear?
So, you mean nothing happened?
Something like what?
You know, the normal stuff.
Like?
Like, you know, hugging, kissing, touching body, you know?
My God, if everybody's not like you, trust me. As a matter of fact, Jim is a gentleman to the core, and I respect his maturity.
Okay. Is that a compliment from you?
Call it whatever you like.
Yes. She has gone. Okay, you like him? Just a little bit. Tell me.
Just see when you like.
Yeah, fish. You be fish. Give me 5. I know you can never laugh.
But
you
will
can't
never
block
change.
me. What guy like that?
Change.
Shit.
It's like I'm born.
United Initiative for Africa invites indigenous firms and NGOs with unique ideas for rural development to tender proposals for sponsorship. Tender date closes June 15th, 2018.
Wow. Now that's a new opportunity for us, and we are obviously going for it. While we wait to hear from Grand Max Limited, we shall keep on casting our nets to get new sponsors. And we also be creating a new profile to head the bidding. Hygienist and Lizzie, take charge. Mr. Jim, do you have anything to tell us?
Of course. From my own end of things, as of this morning, our Instagram account hit 500,000 followers, which generates an average of 20,000 likes per post. And on the other end, our Facebook account generates about 1,500 likes daily. And a lot of people are calling in regularly, making inquiries, trying to know what we're about. I believe in no time, till that goes green, it'll become a household name.
I had to believe that. You could pull that within a very short period of time.
I believe I told you I was the best in town.
Yeah, they did.
So it's up to me to defend the title.
Very well then. I'll have to go in now. So.
You know, I was thinking I have this great idea that I think you'd love. You know, I've always looked forward to another soul moment with you. I'm glad you're here.
What do I say?
Say nothing.
Hello, good morning.
Sorry to disturb you, but there is someone here in the office who insists on seeing you.
What does the person want?
I really don't know.
Alright, let me just tidy up with what I'm doing now. I'll be in the office in a jiffy. Alright, bye.
Your silence is deafening. I expect you to say something. Anything.
I actually do not have any idea on what you want me to say.
That you have forgiven me. Or you are yet to forgive me. Or you're never gonna forgive me.
Look, I don't hold anything against you. You made your decision, and I respect it. You moved on, and I am moving on.
I am sorry, Marion. Please forgive me. I regret my actions. I was overly proactive and unthinking. I think we can still sort this out.
There is no need flogging a dead horse. It will never wake up.
But you said you're forgiving me.
Of course I have. But that does not mean I'm getting back with you.
Why?
Why? You ask why? Fine. I have moved on. That is why.
That is not an explanation.
I don't owe you any explanation, Mr. Tamino.
I think you do!
No! I don't. The moment you walked out of this relationship, I stopped being responsible to you. If you're looking for explanation, mister, maybe you should try the next door, but definitely not here.
How dare you?
Oh, please. Who do you think you are? No, what were you even thinking? You think you're some god from another planet? Well, I'm sorry to disappoint you, mister. If you think you can walk in and out of my life the way you please, you're making a very big mistake. My life is not a thoroughfare that you can walk in and out. Excuse me.
It's okay. Suit yourself.
It's always better to handle things with patience and an open mind. I mean, I don't know what's troubling you, but what I am sure I know is that you're a strong woman. You have a lot going on very well for you, and that's all that should matter.
I had an argument with someone and...
You don't have to say anything if you don't want to. Just know that I'm here for you. I'm gonna be here more than just a digital PR consultant. I'll be here as a friend, and I'll be helping you build your NGO.
Thank you very much. Thank you for all your support and everything. And yes, I think I need a time out to help me relax.
Well, today is your lucky day. TGIF.
Oh yeah? Thank God it's Friday.
Yep.
Wanna leave this town. I'm saying whatever, if you wanna go, I'm down. 'Cause I will make the biggest thing.
What are you doing here? I wasn't expecting you here.
I told you I was going to find you. I just did.
Hey, hold on, look. I'm actually very busy this morning, okay? I have some work I need to cover.
Okay, fine. I'm sorry. I know I'm supposed to call you before coming. But please, can I say...
Listen, look, I actually have a very busy morning. I have work to do, okay?
Jim, it's Saturday. You're supposed to rest. Come on, man.
Lizzie, you have to go, okay?
Are you serious? I just got in here.
I know, but...
You're kidding, right?
No!
Jim! Are you there? No, I'm not going. I'm not going.
I can leave.
Stop. You're hurting me. Stop.
Go.
Stop. Be a gentleman, Jim. Be a gentleman.
Just leave. This is not...
I'm not. I want to meet your mom.
It's not a good time. I'm here. I'm coming. Just wait.
What are you doing? I want to meet your mom.
Why do you have to meet my mom?
Because she's your mom. Like, I want to see her. Are you serious? Yes, I want to see your mom.
So do you have this logo on every material from the organization?
Yes.
The same logo all around?
Yes, the same.
I think we need something a bit more catchy. Maybe throw in some color. Since we're driving this through social media, we need to really create something catchy and attractive. just throw some color on since it's a social media campaign, more or less, and we'll take it from there. So just email me that logo of the original copy. I'll take it from there.
It is only proper that you wait for a response before opening the door.
I'm sorry, I was thinking I could just, come in and...
I guess they did not teach you that at Bard University.
I'm sorry about last Saturday at Jim's house. It was really...
That, as part of the weekend, please.
It was actually awkward, like
I don't want to talk about it. Don't you get it?
I'm sorry.
Freddie?
Yeah, baby.
Where are you? Come.
Mama, I'm coming.
You know I hate to wait. Oh, sugar squeeze. Oh, come to Mama.
It tastes me so good.
Anything for you, Mama.
I'm so gonna spoil you silly tomorrow. You have no idea.
Really?
Come.
Oh, my love, my friend, you know, it's been a while without thinking of you, but the thought makes me smile. I'm so tired of wanting more than this. I know it, but what am I to do? I need some space to breathe, so give me some room. Oh, my love, you're coming with me. I know you leave me one day. Can you just stay till Monday? The thought makes me smile. I'm so tired of wanting more than this. I know it, but what am I to do? I need some space to breathe, so give me some room. So give me some room. Oh, I need room. Smile.
Mama, what are you doing? Madam, thank you. I don't hear about you, Tete. Now they confuse my son. Now you don't let my son concentrate. I don't hear about you.
What's going on?
Just how they follow you, they talk. Just how they follow you, they talk.
Mama,
what is this now? Stop now.
What's all this embarrassment about?
You the man? Come. I say, okay. Now the full current of my pikin. Where the fool? Now you dey say you come tap from your village.
Madam, can you just leave me alone? Leave me alone.
Oh, man, leave you. Call you.
Leave me alone.
What is this?
What is going on? What kind of
No, wait! Man, leave you. No, you grilling my pikin. You grilling my pikin since you don't hold him.
Mama,
embarrassment.
Mama, you're embarrassing me. What is this?
No worry, you never see embarrassment. Make I reach house.
Mama, look at what you're doing outside. What is this now, Mama?
Madam.
Why are you embarrassing this fine girl?
What concern you there?
What concern me?
Who talk last? Who? Where you?
Now me talk. See me here. Now me talk. Yes.
You be human being. What concern you?
As you hold this girl, now madam, you see where I from see you?
I bet shut up. You won't buy this business.
Not this I won't buy him.
No, you won't buy the case.
You want naked the girl?
Come forget so. I be one man riot. Go ask me for streets. I be your business. Come. Oh yeah. What did I give you top? No, what did I give you top? Oh, now the level where your papa do. You say you won't continue. As your papa down on top of shower. Now you won't continue.
Mama, I don't like this. I don't like this, Mama. I don't like this.
What them? No worry. See you, eh? You. Come here. You never see embarrassment.
I don't like this embarrassment.
You never see embarrassment. Make I reach house. Now there you go. No say if you hear go you go yamwe. Come here. Oh, now the phone. Not be the phone.
What is this now? What is this?
Not be the phone. Well, now they take talk with this. You no go follow and talk again.
Mama, I don't like this embarrassment.
No
What's all
problem.
this for? Now look how you're embarrassing me.
You
outside
never
here.
see embarrassment. Oh yeah.
That woman is something else. She looks like a very good fighter. She was ready to beat you up. In fact, to mess you up. Thank God I rescued you.
I swear, if she had escalated more than that, I would have been suing her sorry ass by now. Stupid people everywhere.
Hope she did not enjoy you.
No, I'm good. And that stupid boy couldn't even come to my rescue.
A poor little boy. Boy, he's a small boy. What do you expect him to do?
He could have tried.
Try. After receiving so many slaps from the mother, I believe by now, wherever he is, he'll be having a different types of headache. Now, he's a small boy, so you don't expect him to do anything.
You're funny. You know, you look like I've seen your face before.
I thought you would not recognize me.
Of course I do. You work with my friend Marion, right?
I'm Hyginus Alaboso, History and International Relations, University of Nigeria, on soccer. First class, and overall first class. The lion.
You're funny. Like, you really didn't have to give me all those details. Anyway, I'm Eva. I'm a radio presenter. I work with Rhythm FM.
Officially nice meeting you, though we met on a battleground. Don't mind me. Happy seeing you.
It's okay. Thank you so much for everything. Thanks for coming to my rescue. And I have to rush back so I can get...
No. You don't need to do that. See.
hurt all you want, I don't care. Now listen, you made a mess for me and you're going to clear it up. However you choose to do it, I don't care, but trust me, you will.
There's nothing I can do. She's not listening to me.
That's your business. The same way you found yourself to my house uninvited is the same way you're going to find yourself around this mess.
I have tried. She's not listening to me. Look, I'm sorry. If you had told me that she was in the house that day, trust me, I would have left. And if I'd known you had something to do with her, I wouldn't have come to your house at all. I'm sorry. I will try, yes, I will still try my best to work things out.
You don't understand.
Trust me, I do. I know you have feelings for her. That's why you're this worried. I'm sorry. Please.
Mario.
What is it?
I need to talk to you.
I told you I don't have business discussing unofficial matters with you.
Mario,
Our business starts and ends in there.
just give me 1 minute, okay? Just 1 minute of your time. I promise you I won't take more than 1 minute.
Fine, 1 minute.
Mario, look, what happened at my place on Saturday is not what you think. I know it's difficult for you to believe that, but that's the truth. I don't have anything to do with her. Trust me, I don't.
Are you done? Are you done?
Alright. If you doubt me, just go ahead and do your findings.
Your time is up. I have to. What's wrong with you?
Myron, I love you.
You're the last person I was expecting to hear from.
Yeah. I have this special skill of turning up at the odd hours.
You always want to make me laugh, don't you?
You know, you're too beautiful not to laugh. How was your day?
Yeah, my day was good. I rarely have a bad day. I mean, I can't keep myself now.
So, when do I see you again?
You always see me, Abbas, you do.
I am not that kind of scene. I mean, special scene.
Special type, huh? Okay. I'll say, catch me if you can.
I'll try.
Have a good night rest.
All right.
Got a call from Grandma's Limited. What else do they want? We have practically provided everything they demanded for. The general manager said there is a new development. What kind of development? I guess you might want to slow down to hear this one. Okay, shoot it. Tilda Goes Green has landed her first. We got the sponsorship.
This is the best news for today! Oh my god. Oh,
God is so faithful.
You're right.
Okay, so this calls for a huge celebration. And because tomorrow is my birthday, so we could just done what I've done together. Oh my goodness, do you know I totally forgot.
You're right.
I'm so sorry.
Happy birthday in advance.
Thank you.
Alright guys, thank you so much for coming out, and she's going to cut her birthday cake right now, but before she does that, we're going to all spell the 4 magical letter words. So we'll start with letter L-O-V-E. Yay, love! Happy day to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Thank you. Hooray!
Happy birthday.
Before you all settle down completely, I have a few words. Ariane, I haven't known you for too long, but in the short time I've known you, I think I know exactly what I want from you and with you. So on this special day, I'd like to take a chance and ask Will you marry me, Marion?
Yes! Say yes! Yes! Say yes!
I really don't know where to start from. But I must say I'm speechless. And I also want to use this medium to say a very big thank you to each and every one of you who came out tonight to spend some time on my special day. Thank you once again. Obrigado, merci beaucoup. And to my
Fiancé. Husband to be.
Thank you very much.